Godspeed to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back. If you're new, I'm V. It's Sunday, guys, and unfortunately or fortunately, I've woken up way too early, and so I'm starting off my day with a laundry and doing some things here in the house. So most of you know that I moved into this apartment not long ago. So there are things here that I not yet sorted. I haven't bought some stuffs, and I need to do some decluttering so that I can know what to buy and what not to buy. So I'm here making my bed, and now it's early. Actually, guys, once I finished my doing laundry, I started watching Netflix. It's a lazy Sunday. Anyway, so I'm making my day so that I can see what to do. So chill around, and yeah, let's enjoy the video.
Buildings, as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun. As she puts her hand in mine, we wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light.
I have these books, like lots and lots of books that I'm not reading anymore. These are books I got from the streets, others I got from school. They're not a lot, but just seeing them here makes everything look so boring. I don't know. So I've decided to sort them out, see which ones I'll be sending to the village, because there might be people in the village, like our neighbor's kid, who might be wanting to read some novels. So I'll sort them out so that I can remain with just a few, like very few books here. And things from my university, those ones I'll send them to my parents so that they can keep them in my room. So yeah, that's what we'll be up to. Let's empty this space so that we can figure out how we are going to decorate this house in future.
Pulls dust from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light. Pulls dust from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
So one thing I've realized, guys, decluttering or emptying things that you don't need is not easy. It's not easy, because most of the time I look at the books I have and they're like, no, I need this one, no, I need this one. So it's not been easy. Like, it's been an hectic day, but fortunately I've finished everything up. I'll be packing them and sending them to the village. So it started raining. It's not been raining in Nairobi for so long, and I decided, let me go to town and meet my friend Faith for hot chocolate. I love hot chocolate. So we met in town. It was a very beautiful space. There were not lots of people, because you know what, guys, Sunday in CBD is like good for me. Apart from the TikTokers, it was amazing. So we met, had some hot chocolate, which didn't come as I wanted, and I ended up ordering for black tea. Hey guys, so my friend Faith and I decided to come to this cute place here in town to have some chit chat, catching up. So we are done now, almost going home. It's kind of late right now. Let me show you how it's looking outside here. This place looks really nice. I like the chairs, how they are, like different colors. Yeah, it looks amazing. So we will be headed home, and then probably this video will continue tomorrow when I'll go to do my nails, because these ones, I think I'm done with nude. I need to do different ones. So yes,
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.